Hello friends, welcome. Hope you are having a great day. I am Zubair, founder of Laborate. Today I am going to talk about a test which we often listen and is very important test. That is LFT, or in other words we can say liver function test. Liver function test, also known as liver panel. It is a blood test which measures the levels of enzymes and proteins in your blood to assess the total health of your liver. Now there arises a question that what kind of things tell you the liver functioning test? Different values and ratios of different substances can tell you the total health of your liver. If you have liver inflammation, whether the inflammation is alcoholic or metabolic, whether you have the problem in the liver itself or in the bile duct. Now I will discuss the 9 parameters of LFT. First one is bilirubin. Bilirubin has its own two types, direct and indirect. Direct is also named as conjugated bilirubin, and indirect is also named as unconjugated bilirubin. Bilirubin is a waste product which is created when red blood cells breaks down. Second one is SGOT or AST. SGOT stands for serum glutamic oxaloacetic transamine and AST stands for aspartate aminotransferase. SGOT is an enzyme which helps in breakdown of amino acids. Next one is SGPT or ALT. SGPT stands for serum glutamic pyruvic transamine. SGPT is an enzyme which helps us in the conversion of protein into energy for the liver cell. Next one is ALP or alkaline phosphate. It is an enzyme which helps us in the breakdown of protein. The remaining four are albumin, globulin, total protein, and GGT. Albumin is the main protein produced in the liver that helps maintain and build bones, muscle, blood, and tissue organs. And globulin is the group of proteins that helps in fighting infections and forming clots, etc. Next one is total protein. It measures the amount of total protein in your blood. It can help in the diagnosis of number of health conditions like liver disease, malnutrition, and inflammation, etc. The last one is GGT, gamma glutamyl transferase. It is a blood test that is used to diagnose the liver and bile duct issues.